haven't ate like anything here because
Vegan, vegetarian.
well, they have kale crunch. Wait, how many calories? 60, it's not that much. It's like vinegar and like spinach. Very skinny. I don't feel like a big bag. I feel like a skinny bag. Next is veggie wrap. Look at this. It looks so bad. It also comes with like vinegar. Like you pick which one you want. Skinny bag, skinny bag. Okay, we should eat it like raw. No. Let's try it with this. I forgot to put on my timer for my lunch. This is so freaking good. I regret eating mac and cheese every single day. My body's like, ugh. Dude, I'm gonna break down. It is so freaking good. Brought me this. It's the avocado one. Never tried it. Pardon me.